here we have a little demonstration about not really new feature, but it's something that we have since many years. But this year we improved the solution, adding one new device that is the Codiscan Data Logic, that is a wearable barcode reader. And we also implement the pocket monitor with a standard bracket that can be part of the machine order. So you will find this optional also on the configurator. What is the color guided picking? It's a feature that is inside the advanced picking. So to use this feature, you will need the Modula WMS Premium and the advanced picking license. And this solution allows us to use to avoid to use basically the put to light. So if you want to have cards to manage order and avoid to have the put to light system, we can use the color guide picking. How? In this solution, we do not connect the color to the machine, but we connect the color to the card. And so we can execute a batch of order and connect this batch to a specific color and card. So now I will execute 3 order connected to the green card, and then we will see what you can see on the external monitor. So if you look on this side, we have some information on the screen. So we can see the product, the item code, the picture of the product if we want, or also the graphical trace scheme. We can see the quantity we have to pick and the position where we have to put the product on the green card. You can see the background is green, so that means there is a mission on the green card. So we can pick the green card. In this example, we can have up to 8 order because we have 8 position, 8 box, and each box or each position have one barcode connected to it. Why we have one barcode? Because we can check when we pick the product and put inside the box, we can check the barcode to be sure that we have put the product in the right box. Okay, so we can start to pick. We have also the information. Thank you. In the picking page, so we can have the laser pointer, the alphanumeric display that will tell us how many pieces we have to pick, and also the position where we have to place this product. But first of all, before to start, we have to connect the barcode reader to the machine number 1. And to do this, we have to scan the QR code of this device that is the gateway. So in this case, we have 4 machines. We will have 4 gateway, 1 for each machine, but only 1 barcode reader. So we do not need 4 barcode reader to be used on the 4 machine. So I can scan this one, and then I can put this product in position number 3, read the barcode, and then the machine will move to the next mission. So another one piece, position number 2, another one, position number 1. And here we have completed the 3 order with machine number 1. So then we can move to the next machine that again has the green background. So that means that we have to use the green card. We have to read the QR code, so from here or from the device. Now it's connected, okay? And we can continue to complete the order. So I can grab this one, position number 2. Two of these in position number 3. Position number 2. Position number 1, one piece. 1 again. Position number 3. One of these in position number 3. The sponge, position number 1. And then the latest one in position number 2. We can also manage the batch picking. So if we have the same item for different orders, the display will show you in which position you have to ventilate to spread the quantity. And each time you have to confirm reading the barcode for the position. If you read the wrong position, then you will see a message on the copilot. Okay. So the application that is currently running on the monitor is called Pocket Monitor. And we need for each VLM where we want to install this kind of solution, we will need the bracket that is an optional, a new optional that you can also choose from the configurator. Not right now, but it will be added in the configurator. And is a standard bracket produced by Modula, is a standard Visa connection. And we also provide the socket where to plug the power supply. Then the customer has to provide the monitor that can be up to a 32-inch display, so really big, and the pocket monitor. Pocket monitor can be a PC stick that is connected directly to the HDMI port of the display. It could be a Raspberry Pi. It could be a pocket desktop. It can run also on thin client. Okay. So why we think that this could good solution and where we can implement this solution? We can use this solution when the customer doesn't want to have any hardware connected to the card. He wants a cheapest solution, avoiding to buy the electrical cabinet, the display. You want to use more than one card at a time. We can use up to 7 cards at the same time, 7 different colors. We can simply add one plate, for example, to the card. Here we have different, let's say, plates. So this card can be also the red one or the blue one. So we can have 7 cards, 7 different colors at the same time. One operator can work on his group of VLMs in his zone. And when he finishes to execute an order for the green card, he can simply push the green card to the next group of VLM, to the next operator. So the user will not move along the VLMs. So when we have a huge battery of units, for example, 20 meters front, this kind of solution can be really helpful because avoid the operator to work. No, you can work also with two people on the same time, 2 persons on the same group, because they can work on the same card at the same time.